Ever wondered how a city can rise from the rubble of a devastating earthquake? What if I told you this city not only survived, but also thrived after enduring a catastrophic earthquake? Welcome to Christchurch, New Zealand, where tragedy has given birth to transformation. In this video, we'll journey through the heart of the city, exploring its tumultuous past, its remarkable present, and its promising future. Christchurch was a city steeped in history and charm, but is forever altered by the destructive force of nature. Before the earthquake in 2011, it was a thriving metropolis, its streets lined with heritage buildings and bustling with life. The city's skyline was dominated by iconic landmarks such as the Christchurch Cathedral, a symbol of its rich heritage and cultural significance. Strolling through the streets, one would encounter a blend of architectural styles, from Victorian-era buildings to Gothic revival structures, each contributing to the city's unique character. Lush parks and gardens added to the allure, providing tranquil retreats amidst the urban hustle and bustle. Christchurch was renowned for its picturesque Avon River, where residents and visitors would often enjoy leisurely boat rides or scenic walks along its banks. The vibrant cultural scene with theaters, art galleries, and historic sites further enhanced its appeal, attracting tourists from around the world. Overall, the city's pre-earthquake appearance was a proof to its rich history, architectural beauty, and idyllic setting. But now, the city bears the scars of its past, with empty lots and construction cranes dotting the skyline. Yet, amidst the rubble, signs of renewal emerge. Parks bloom where buildings once stood, and sleek modern structures rise from the ashes, a testament to its resilience and determination to rebuild. The contrast of past and present paints a vivid picture of a city in transition, evolving and adapting to the challenges of the 21st century. The city, nestled on New Zealand's South Island, has a rich and storied origin. Founded in the mid-19th century by English settlers, it was named after Christchurch, Oxford, reflecting its Anglican heritage. The city grew rapidly due to its strategic location along the Avon River and its proximity to fertile agricultural land. With its blend of British colonial architecture and lush greenery, Christchurch became known as the Garden City, boasting tree-lined streets and well-tended parks. Over the years, it evolved into a cultural and economic hub, attracting residents and visitors with its charming atmosphere and vibrant community life. The city has been no stranger to natural disasters, facing a series of devastating events that have tested the resilience of its residents. From earthquakes to floods, it has endured more than its fair share of trials and tribulations. But perhaps none were as destructive as the earthquake of 2011, which brought the city to its knees. This seismic event, measuring 6.3 on the Richter scale, unleashed unparalleled destruction, shaking the very foundations of the city and leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. It was particularly more dangerous due to a combination of some factors, including its shallow depth, proximity to urban areas, and the vulnerability of the infrastructure. Unlike deeper earthquakes, which tend to cause less damage on the surface, shallow quakes can generate stronger shaking and inflict greater destruction. Moreover, the epicenter of the quake was located just a few miles from the heart of Christchurch, increasing the intensity of the tremors felt in the city center. The force of the tremor was so intense that it caused widespread liquefaction, turning the ground into a quagmire and swallowing entire buildings. The human toll was equally ruinous, with 185 lives lost and thousands more injured in the first 24 hours alone. Families were torn apart, neighborhoods obliterated, and the emergency services struggled to cope with the scale of the disaster. With homes destroyed, businesses shuttered, and essential services disrupted, Christchurch faced an uphill battle to rebuild and recover from the trauma of the earthquake. But with challenge comes opportunity, and the city seized it with both hands. Through extensive planning and consultation, a vision for the future began to emerge. From the ashes of destruction rose a city reimagined, its streets redesigned, its landmarks restored. But the road to recovery was fraught with obstacles, such as financial difficulties. Yet, amidst the despair and destruction, the resilience of the people shone through as they banded together to support one another and rebuild their beloved city from the ground up. Behind Christchurch's remarkable transformation are the visionaries who dared to dream of a better future. From city planners to community leaders, these individuals played a pivotal role in guiding the city through its darkest hours. But it was the resilience and determination of the people that ultimately drove the rebirth, proving that the power of community knows no bounds. As Christchurch rose from the rubble, it did so with a renewed sense of purpose and identity. Today, the city boasts a skyline adorned with architectural marvels, each a proof to its resilience and ingenuity. From the sleek lines of the new convention center to the historic charm of the restored art center Te Matatiki Toi Ora, the architectural landscape reflects its diverse history and vibrant culture. But perhaps most striking of all is the magnificent Turanga Central Library, a symbol of knowledge and hope rising from the ashes of destruction. In the wake of tragedy, innovation blossomed in Christchurch like never before. From sustainable urban planning practices to cutting-edge technologies, the city embraced innovation as a means of rebuilding stronger and smarter. In the central business district, laneways and alleys sprung up between new buildings, fostering a sense of community and connection. Meanwhile, initiatives like the Riverside Market and New Regent Street breathed new life into the city, creating vibrant spaces for residents and visitors alike to enjoy. Through innovation, the city turned tragedy into triumph, emerging not just rebuilt, but revitalized. The transformation lies in the iconic Christchurch Cathedral, a symbol of hope and resilience for the city and its people. Despite suffering extensive damage in the earthquake, the cathedral stands as a way to the strength of the human spirit. Today, efforts to restore the cathedral to its former glory are underway, guided by a deep sense of reverence and respect for its historical significance. As the cathedral rises once more, it serves as a hope, a reminder that even in the face of tragedy, faith and community endure. The restoration is expected to cost around 154 million New Zealand dollar and is funded through insurance proceeds, government grants, and public fundraising. This financial commitment underscores the community's dedication to preserving a crucial piece of their cultural heritage. Throughout this journey, the most remarkable aspect of life is the sense of community. In the aftermath of tragedy, neighbors became friends, strangers became allies, and together they forged a bond that would carry them through the darkest of days. As Christchurch continues to evolve and grow, its people remain its greatest asset, a testament to the enduring spirit of the city. As we conclude our exploration of Christchurch's inspiring journey of rebuilding after the earthquake, we invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more thought-provoking discussions. Thank you for joining us on this journey of resilience and renewal.